Before we jump in, I do earn a referral fee when you use the services and companies I demonstrate in the video, but there is no additional cost to you. I chose them because they're the best in the industry and you're safe with them.
Instacart and you, a winning combination. You're hustling on Instacart, bringing home the bacon and groceries. That's amazing. Every day you're out there making sure families have what they need, and that's something to be proud of. Your dedication and hard work are truly commendable. You're part of a growing trend. The gig economy is booming, and more people are joining this flexible workforce. It's a movement that's changing the way we think about work and employment. More people want flexible work. They want to be their own boss, set their own hours, and have the freedom to balance work with personal life. Instacart offers that flexibility, allowing you to work when it suits you best. Instacart is perfect for that. It provides an opportunity to earn money on your own terms. You can choose your hours, work in your local area, and be part of a community that values your contribution. But, like any business, there are risks. It's important to be aware of these risks and take steps to protect yourself. Running your own gig comes with responsibilities, and understanding the potential pitfalls is crucial. That's where protecting yourself comes in. Ensuring you have the right safeguards in place can make all the difference. It's about being proactive and prepared for any situation that might arise. Imagine this: you're delivering an order and accidentally bump into someone's car. They sue you. It's a scenario no one wants to think about, but it's a reality that can happen. Without the right protection, your personal savings could be at risk. Yikes. The financial implications of such incidents can be overwhelming, and it's essential to have a plan in place to safeguard your hard-earned money. Don't worry, there's a solution: an LLC. Forming a limited liability company can provide the protection you need. It separates your personal assets from your business liabilities, offering a layer of security that can give you peace of mind. With an LLC, you can focus on growing your business without the constant worry of personal financial risk. It's a smart move for anyone in the gig economy, providing a solid foundation for your entrepreneurial journey. So keep hustling, keep delivering, and keep making a difference. With the right protection in place, you can enjoy the freedom and flexibility of the gig economy while safeguarding your future. Instacart and you, truly a winning combination. Starting with Instacart is exciting. It's flexible. You're your own boss. But remember, running a business, even a small one, has risks. You need to protect your earnings and your assets. Think about it. You've worked hard to buy your car, put a roof over your head, and build your savings. You don't want anything to jeopardize that. An LLC can help you separate your business from your personal life. An LLC is like a protective shield for your personal assets. LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a legal structure that separates your business from your personal life. Think of it as creating a separate entity for your Instacart work. This separation is crucial. It limits your personal liability. What does that mean? If something goes wrong with your Instacart business, like an accident or a lawsuit, only the assets of your LLC are at risk, not your personal belongings. Forming an LLC might sound complicated, but it's totally doable. I'll break it down for you step by step. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. First things first, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Let's get down to business. Then, you'll file some paperwork with your state. This is called your Articles of Organization. Don't let the legal jargon scare you. It's just a fancy way of saying you're officially registering your business. Section 5. Choosing your business name. Picking a name for your LLC is like naming your firstborn. You want it to be memorable and represent your brand. You can't just use any name, though. Each state has rules. You need to make sure the name isn't already taken by another business in your state. You can usually do a quick search online to see what names are available. Once you've found a winner, make sure it includes LLC at the end. Section 6. The power of the EIN. Next up, you'll need to get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. Think of this as your business's social security number. You'll use it for important things like filing taxes and opening a bank account for your business. Don't worry, getting an EIN is usually quick and easy. You can often apply online and get your number immediately. Section 7. Your LLC formation documents. Now it's time to make it official. You've got your name, your EIN, and now you need to file your formation documents with your state. These documents are usually called Articles of Organization or Certificate of Formation. They outline the basic information about your LLC. This step usually involves a small fee, but trust me, it's a small price to pay for the peace of mind it provides. Section 8. Shielding your assets, the LLC Advantage. Remember that protective shield we talked about? This is where it really comes in handy. With an LLC, your personal assets are protected from business liabilities. Let's say you have a car accident while making a delivery. If you're sued, only the assets of your LLC are at risk, not your personal savings, your car, or your home. This protection alone is worth its weight in gold. Section 9. Is an LLC right for your Instacart hustle? This is a question many part-time gig workers are asking themselves these days. With the rise of the gig economy, more and more people are turning to platforms like Instacart to supplement their income or even as their primary source of revenue. You might be thinking, Barbara, is an LLC really necessary for me? After all, I'm just doing Instacart part-time, delivering groceries to make some extra cash. But here's the thing, even if you're doing this part-time, you're still running a business. And like any business, there are risks involved. You might face legal issues, customer complaints, or even accidents while delivering. It's always better to be safe than sorry. An LLC or limited liability company can provide a layer of protection for your personal assets. This means that if something goes wrong, your personal savings, home, and other assets are less likely to be at risk. Setting up an LLC might sound daunting, but it's actually quite straightforward. There are many online services that can help you with the paperwork, and the costs are relatively low. Plus, the benefits far outweigh the initial setup costs. An LLC offers valuable protection and can give you more credibility in the long run. When customers see that you're a legitimate business, they may be more likely to trust you and use your services. This can lead to more business and higher earnings. Plus, the cost of setting up and maintaining an LLC is relatively low compared to the potential risks you're avoiding. Think of it as an investment in your future. By taking this step, you're showing that you're serious about your hustle and are prepared for any challenges that come your way. So whether you're doing Instacart part-time or full-time, consider forming an LLC. It could be the best decision you make for your business. Section 10. Taking the leap. Starting your LLC journey. Ready to take the plunge? You've got this. Starting an LLC can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can navigate this journey smoothly. Start by researching your state's specific requirements for forming an LLC. Each state has its own set of rules and regulations, so it's crucial to understand what is needed in your particular state. This might include naming requirements, filing fees, and specific forms that need to be submitted. You can usually find this information on your Secretary of State's website. These websites often have detailed guides and resources to help you through the process. Take your time to read through the information and make notes of any important details. Or you can use a reputable online legal service to guide you through the process. These services can be incredibly helpful, especially if you're not familiar with legal jargon or the specific requirements of your state. They offer step-by-step guidance and can even handle the filing for you. They can help with the paperwork and make sure everything is filed correctly. This can save you a lot of time and stress, ensuring that your LLC is set up properly from the start. Remember, this is an investment in your future and the security of your hard-earned money. Forming an LLC can provide you with personal liability protection, meaning your personal assets are generally protected if your business faces legal issues or debts. This peace of mind allows you to focus on growing your business without the constant worry of personal financial risk. Additionally, an LLC can offer tax benefits and flexibility in how you manage your business. You can choose to be taxed as a sole proprietor, partnership, S corporation, or C corporation, depending on what best suits your financial situation. As your business grows, having an LLC can also make it easier to bring on investors or partners. It shows that you are serious about your business and have taken the necessary steps to protect it legally. So take the time to plan and prepare. Research, seek professional advice if needed, and make informed decisions. Your journey to starting an LLC is a significant step towards achieving your business goals and securing your financial future. Embrace the journey with confidence and determination. Your hard work and dedication will pay off as you build a strong foundation for your business. Good luck on your LLC journey. Section 11. Protecting your future. Congratulations! You're on your way to protecting your personal assets and building a successful Instacart business. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you understand about protecting yourself legally, the more confident you'll be in your entrepreneurial journey. So go out there, make smart choices, and keep on hustling.